Simply Safe Smart Home Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get home security wrong. They assume smart home systems are expensive or hard to install. The surprising truth about Simply Safe is that it offers easy, affordable, and reliable home security solutions, and you won't believe how quickly you can protect your home without professional installation. Here's how it works. Simply Safe provides wireless sensors, cameras, and alarms that connect to a central hub. You can customize alerts, monitor activity from your smartphone, and even integrate with smart assistants like Alexa or Google Home. For example, a family can install door and window sensors in minutes, receive instant notifications for unusual activity, and remotely arm or disarm the system. Most people get this wrong. They think security requires complicated wiring, but Simply Safe is fully DIY friendly. Additional benefits include 24/7 professional monitoring, optional cellular backup, and flexible subscription plans. Users praise its reliability, clear instructions, and responsive customer service. However, there are considerations. Some advanced smart home integrations may be limited, and professional monitoring requires a subscription. Most people assume smart devices replace vigilance. Physical security measures are still important. In conclusion, Simply Safe is ideal for homeowners seeking affordable, flexible, and reliable smart home security that's easy to set up and manage. Subscribe for more honest reviews of smart home technology.